The mountain climber to high knee sprint to forward jump combo is an excellent fat burning cardio combo that will burn a lot of calories. To get started, start in a standing position, then drop to the floor in a belly down position. Press up to the top of a push up, then complete 4 mountain climbers per leg by driving one knee toward your chest while maintaining a flat back, then reverse it back to the starting position. After completing 4 mountain climbers per leg, stand up and immediately complete 4 high knee sprints per leg by driving one knee up so your thigh is parallel to the ground while pumping the opposite arm and elbow forward, similar to if you were sprinting. Repeat for 4 reps per leg, then complete a forward jump by extending your arms overhead with your hips extended, then drive your arms back and behind you as you bend your knees and hips into a quarter to a half squat, then explode off the ground by driving your arms forward and jumping forward. As you are in the air, bring your feet forward and land flat on your feet with your knees cushioned to stick the landing. Turn around, drop to the floor, and repeat the same combo. Make sure you subscribe for more Live Lean exercise demos.